The 2021 Gold Libertads are coming. Are they worth buying this year? A lot of signs seem to point that the 2021 Gold Libertads are about to be released. As you can see here, there are already some pre-listings of the 2021 Libertad on jmbullion.com. Given they are not in stock yet and they don't show the pricing, but these are the first signs of the coins when they are about to be released. It may be a few weeks, it may be a month, but it is a fact that the 2021 Gold Libertads are coming. I was also able to obtain this press communication from the Mint to media, and it shows that orders of the gold coins have been placed from the Mint, which includes 7,100 pieces of gold. Now, this may be fractional 1 ounce, so it just points out to pieces that will be minted for this second quarter of the year. It's very likely that some of these have already been minted and are either in distribution in Mexico or about to be distributed into the US retailers. US retailers seem to get a lot of the first priority for a lot of these mintages because there is quite a market with higher premiums that I'm sure they can sell to US markets. We don't know if these will include bullion finish, proof finish, or reverse proof finish, or a combination of all. As things usually happen, we'll first get the bullion finish that will get distributed first, then the reverse proof and the proof either coming second or third. Those are usually the most highly coveted coins, especially the reverse proof with such a big following since 2018. That being said, are the 2021 Gold Libertads worth purchasing this year? If you look at mintages alone, mintage of the gold and reverse proof coins were some of the lowest in history of mintage, with the reverse proof and proof versions having a mintage of 250 pieces in both the 1 ounce and the half ounce. And even the fractional coins were fairly low mintage as well for 2020. For 2021, as you can see here, the numbers are expected to be much higher for the reverse proof and the proof, going up to 900 and 1,000 respectively. Now, these are preliminary mintage numbers that have been posted in several places, including Wikipedia and by LPM, which is a distributor in Hong Kong, which has had accurate numbers in years past. For the bullion version, the uncirculated version, it does look like mintage will be higher for 2021, being more than twice as much, or almost twice as much, as those in 2020. As you can see in the 1 ounce, there's an expected mintage of 2,100 versus the 1,100 that was in 2020. And then the fractionals also have a higher mintage all across the board. So, are they worth buying this year? To me, it really depends on the release price. A lot of the retailers, AppMax, JM Bullion, and everyone else, it seems like they are raising prices for the 2021 Libertad coins in general. I think demand is higher than it was in previous years. So the increased mintage may not affect the initial release price from these retailers, which is really unfortunate. So for me, I will be looking to buy some of these, especially the reverse proof and the proof collection, if I'm able to find them at a good price. For the bullion version, if I could get it reasonably, $100, $200 premium over spot, that seems like a fair price. But I probably will not be chasing these if they are 30, 40, 50% premium applied to them. And don't get me wrong, I really love Libertads. I've been collecting them for several years. As I've shown in the video, I've collected 2018s, 2019s, 2020s in various finishes. So I am a buyer, but only when it makes sense. I try not to buy at aftermarket pricing, meaning if I go into them, I expect to see some appreciation over the incoming years. And if I feel that I may not gain that in the next few years, then I may not buy many, maybe one of the reverse proof for my collection, and that's pretty much it. So what about you? Will you be buying the 2021 Gold Libertads? If you're interested, make sure you hit the remind me buttons on some of those websites to try to get that initial pricing. Because usually in the aftermarket on eBay or once they've been around for a while, it seems like premium gets added to them very quickly. That's all I got for today. See y'all later. Stay stacking.